Hi there, hope you're doing good. So here I'm with an update. Let me show you the results. So this is my formula and where you will get the results. So just to show you the demo, what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the same and paste in here, and you can see all the results are here. Let me copy some random rows, and if I paste those in here, you can always stretch the formula. All right. So I'll copy the data again, maybe some random rows from here to here, and you will see the results are there. So only one email address. There are 3 names and 3 email addresses you can see at the result in here. So yeah, I have got this solution, but before accepting that, I would like to ask you that which Office version you are using, because sometimes the formula of functions are not available in the older versions of Office. So please do let me know which Office version you are using. I think this should work above 2016. So please do let me know which Office version you are using so that I can share this solution with you. Looking forward for your review. Take care. Bye.